What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to modify your YouTube descriptions and your YouTube titles, as well as some other bonus things. I'm not sure if you maybe I'll show some other settings and stuff. But this is how I never see people modifying their YouTube descriptions like me, sorta. It's just static, or they just don't do it or something, or they don't know how, and they never change their titles. They don't know how to change their titles and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go to your browser. You're going to go to your YouTube channel. You're going to make sure you're signed in on your YouTube. I'm Purple Crayola. You're going to go, so that's my channel. You're going to sign in on your channel. You're going to go to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Alright. Let's start with it. I'm going to go to Content. You'll start on your dashboard here. Then you're going to go to Content. Click on Content. Then you're going to go to this little details thing here, this little sign. You're going to click on this. It's here. This is how you modify your YouTube descriptions and your YouTube titles. This is the title here. You could just put whatever in it. Series. I already put series in there actually, guys. But you can just put whatever in there. And double feature. And then maybe you click save, guys. After you're done modifying your title, remodifying your title, you're gonna click save. I'll just do it anyways, guys, just to show you. You're gonna click, you can modify your title like that, and you can modify your description. This is your description here. This is your title. You can modify it, type whatever you want, and this is your description. You can type whatever you want in your description as well. Cool. Alright, let's do it. Save. Now let's look at it.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's been modified. Series.
Left lab 3, nigga. Yeah.
It's missing the double feature. Down here I put
30
cool.
for 30, my jersey dirty, my crew back. I shoot a 30 like Stephen Curry, my shoes whack. So locomotive.
Sorry about that, guys, but as you can see, it's changed now. Series. I deleted the double feature thing, and down here I put cool. That's how you change and modify your YouTube descriptions. Let's take a look at the settings. You're going to put no, it's not made for kids. If it's made for kids, you're going to put yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not, then you're going to put no, it's not made for kids. YouTube would automatically restrict your videos if there's any 18A content in it. Don't bother this thing unless it contains paid promotion or anything like that. I have to put altered. You put yes, altered content. If you're like me, your content is so off the wall that it has to be considered altered, sort of thing. As you guys would know, so my content is so different. It's so mixed that I have to put altered content. Basically, if you don't have to, then put no. If you have to, then put yes. Automatically check these 3 things here. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. I went to my YouTube settings, and put it so this allow automatic chapters and key moments is always off, guys, always off. And I always have to uncheck these allow automatic places and allow automatic concepts. I always have to check those off, make sure they're all unchecked for those extra lethal views, Add tags in here if you want. A tag is keywords that you put on your video. Like if I put a tag, hard. That's how you just type it in, press enter. Hard. Because I put hard in there because it's 2 songs in one and it's kind of a hard remix. Like you could put opposites too, like sort of thing. Like I remember when I was messing around with tags, when I would upload a rap song, I would tag other rap songs in it, other rap songs and other artists in the tags, basically, so that it sort of gets traction, sort of. You can put hard or whatever your video is related to, and when people type the word hard, they'll find your video, basically. Anyway, that's it. You do that. I'm not going to put any tags. Go down. Standard YouTube licensing. If you want your content to be more exclusive, meaning people would have to come to your video to watch the video, harder to share the content, basically. If you want your content to be shared if you want your content to be shared a lot and passed around, sort of like a sharing thing, then you would put Creative Commons license. But if you want your shit to be more exclusive, you just want people to come to your video only, you could put standard YouTube license. But if you want your shit to be shared, I recommend putting Creative Commons license on there. All these other settings are automatically set in. Don't need to change anything. Category, I always pick the right category when you're according to your type of video. I do music a lot, so I have mine on music. Guys. Pick your appropriate category here. Do all this stuff manually, and you'll get a lot of views, guys. If you upload your videos manually and do your videos manually and make your music uploads manually from scratch, you'll get a lot of views. If you do things like me, you'll get like 100K views or something if you do your shit manually. That's my little tip, basically. I do all my stuff manually like this, all by myself. It's maybe not all by myself, but I do everything manually, guys. I make my music uploads from scratch using a video editor, make it all manually. I manually upload it. I manually modify these YouTube settings, and I manually modify my titles and my YouTube descriptions. After that, you should get 100 million views, no problem. 100 million views, no problem. That's how you modify your YouTube settings for maximum benefits. How you modify your YouTube descriptions and your YouTube titles. That's how you do that. Remember, I do all my shit manually. I make my videos from scratch. I shoot everything myself. Every single video I do is manual. I do everything manually, basically. Shoot it yourself, make it yourself, upload it manually. When you're on your channel, go to create. Go to create and upload video manually. That's how you can get a lot of views, upload manually. Select your file. I have a few videos here. Actually, these are just raw recordings. I don't have any videos made right now, but obviously if you have a video that's made, you'll just select that. Yeah, guys, do all your shit manually. You'll get like 100 million views on it. Now that you know that, I think that's about it for today. That's the tutorial. Subscribe and like for more. Subscribe to my channel, Purple Crayola. We have some pretty good stuff here on the channel. Good tutorials, good music, good games, good movies, everything. So not everything, but you know, some good stuff on here, guys. Anyway, that's my tutorial for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like for more to Purple Crayola, me, basically. That's all you do, guys. That's it.